This is your agency's most important moment. All the late night strategy sessions, the client pitches, the budget debates, the months of planning and replanning, it all leads up to this. And DSP Connect was built to help you get here. Our omni-channel platform gives agencies the power to connect all the critical moments along your clients' marketing journeys so you can reach their best customers and millions of new ones right when it matters. Whether their audience is commuting to work, catching up on the morning news, or streaming their favorite show, DSP Connect puts your clients' brands in front of the right people at the right time across every screen and channel. We harness the power of data, pairing it with AI driven optimization, privacy conscious identity solutions, and a robust marketplace of measurement partners to help agencies like yours maximize every media dollar for every client you serve. Our platform analyzes millions of ad opportunities every second to help you discover which ones are right for your clients' brands and which ones aren't, across every channel and device. In return, their audiences get a more relevant ad experience, and you get measurable, transparent results you can actually show in a client meeting. Some platforms steer your spend toward their own inventory, their streaming channels, their search products, their walled gardens. DSP Connect doesn't own any of that. We never steer you toward our channels because we don't have any. That means we can always prioritize the right inventory for your clients wherever it lives and be fully transparent about how campaigns are performing and whether they're driving real business outcomes. No hidden agendas, no conflicts of interest, just results. Your client's success depends on seeing the full picture. That's why agencies need an unbiased, trusted partner, one that helps you find new opportunities, expand reach, and maximize the value of data driven advertising from the first touch point to the last conversion. DSP Connect, built for agencies, built for what matters. Visit dspconnect.com. This is